Okay, Neelachal, I'm just going to give a kind of chance. You heard my lecture for a long period of the time. I just want to see that what's your deprecations about my speech. You should expose your feeling. You should have to expose your concept regarding my speech. How to develop the spoken English. Now, Neelachal, you may proceed.
Okay, sir. Okay, good morning, my respected teacher and
Just
my
wait,
fellow
sorry to
friends.
interrupt you for a single minute. You see that some students are also hearing your speech for with REDAP concentration. This is Anishur, this is Kausik, and this is Samay, and this is Siddiq, and this is Susant. So, Nilachal, you are presenting your speech in front of the many of the students, and I am from the off background.
Yes.
You could not able to see my face sure, right now. You are being given a kind of chance to expose your speech. Now you may proceed.
Okay, sir. Okay, good morning, my respected teacher and my other dear friends. Today I will tell how to develop in spoken English. So, according to my concept, we should practice the spoken English so much, and we should practice the speaking in our house, obviously. How to practice, because in our house, maybe there are no student to speak in English. So I think that we should practice the English in front of the mirror. And when we practice the English in front of the mirror, then automatically our nervousness is become decreased, and we can able to grow up in English language. So that's the opinion of me. So that's all.
Okay, just take a hold. Just no, see to me, show to me. Am I visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Nilachal. You just asked me a kinds of, just give you a kinds of repercussions that how to develop the English language according to Nilachal's speech. It's been very clear. And Nilachal gave a kinds of better suggestions to all of the students that they should have to practice the spoken English is standing in front of the mirror, and you have to all the students have to practice the lamination. That's right. But apart from that kinds of factors of the laminations and standing in front of the mirrors, is there any kinds of are there any kinds of role for practicing the spoken English and how to develop the more better English language? Do you have any kinds of concept in your knowledge?
Yes.
Yes. What are they?
Sir, I think that after practice the spoken English,
Practicing.
practicing the spoken English, then we should practice the grammar or lamination, like voice change, narration change,
Yes.
many other things like article.
Okay, sorry to make you interrupt Nilachal for a single second. Actually, that you told you were giving too much stressing about the grammatical items, the voice change as well as the narration change. But it's, I have already told you one thing that after completing the MSS, you need to have the development of speech of spoken English. 60% speech should be come out, must be come out after completing your laminations. That's my advice to all of my students. So, therefore, I supply to all of the students, I advise to all of the students that after completing your laminations, you need to have a disparate practice of speech, of speaking continuously, so that you can develop for the 60% speech. And if we continuously try for giving the stress for the learning of the voice change as well as the narration change and all the grammatical norms, what will happen to us? We will be more addicted in the grammar. We cannot able to talk in this language. So, what is your view about the particular kinds of nature?
So according to me, when we practice the grammar, then
Yes.
after practicing the grammar, we should obviously practice the spoken English.
Yes.
Because if we practice the grammar long time, then automatically we continuously read the grammar. Don't do the spoken English. Then so
Will be too much extremely addicted to speak
yes,
to practice the
practicing
grammatical
the
factors.
grammar. Yes.
Yes.
So I think that after practice the grammar, after practicing the grammar, we should practice the spoken English. That's my view.
Okay, it's my common query to all of the students. If anybody can able to understand, anybody can able to answer my query, including Nilajol also. Listen my query very carefully. What's my advice to all of you, as well as it's having being a kinds of query. You know, I'm talking to everybody. Listen very carefully. That there are some kinds of people who are living in their own country, own mother tongue area, our mother tongue is Bengali. Somebody living in the country of the England, their mother tongue is English.
Yes.
There are many kinds of people or people whose mother tongue is their own language. Obviously, mother tongue is their own language. They speak very fluent language without learning that kinds of grammar. So, what's the psychology behind that? They don't learn about the tense, they don't learn about the yes, no, positive, negative, double is positive, negative. They don't have any kinds of grammatical support, but they speak that kinds of language very efficiently, very fluently, without making any kinds of grammatical learning. So, anybody? How could they able to learn it? How could they able to perform it very quickly? Anybody, do you have the answer? Yes, okay. Now, Sushant is very much interested to answer that particular kinds of query. So, Sushant, you are being highlighted. Just wait for single second. Many students are also there in front of Sushant's speech. So, Sushant's speech is also included. Now, Sushant, you are really having a kind of chance to expose your query, to expose the answer from my query.
Sir, actually, our mother, when I speak our mother tongue, our mother tongue, we speak fluently.
Yes.
Because when I born, and these times I automatically cultured, cultured, and our speaking quality was grow up, because so many words or words words we collect the others people, so I automatically listened and collect so many knowledge, and I and we try to speak fluently. But when I learn the others language, maybe English or Hindi, then first time I cannot speak fluently, because it is our second language. So when I try to speak in fluently, that first time
You get grammatical wrong.
first time we have faced some problem like grammatical wrong, etc.
Yes, yes.
Then when I tried to solve the mistake, then our speaking quality automatically get developed. That's why.
Yes. Anybody having any comment? Susan tried to expose his speech. Actually, he told that our mother tongue is that kinds of language. So we are strictly confined in that particular kinds of area where we live with our mother tongue. So our atmosphere grew up, makes us develop. We tried so many words we wish to speak. We automatically hear that many kinds of words. Then from that atmosphere we get it as well. So therefore we generally get developed. Okay, thank you for our nice discussions.